lepib kõigega, mis ma ütlen, et nii peab olema. Milline hobune välja peab nägema, siis ta on ise väga hobusõbralik, siis milline lööbe, ta ei ole üldse karm ega selline, nagu ta välja paistab võib-olla.
Ei, isegi ei paista, aga lihtsalt ongi see, et kui on sellised tippvõistlused ikka see närv lööb üle ja kõik see, et nagu...
Ei ole.
Sellepärast ei hakka sinuga pahandama.
Ma arvan kui tema. Kui ma saadan Magusi näiteks Grand Prix, siis temalt ma ei loe ühtegi emotsiooni. Ja kunagise Grand Prix hobuse Novesta järglane. Nii et ta ootab suuri tegusid.
Novesta oli ka sama värvi.
Jaa, ta on... Seal on. Ta tegelikult on täpselt Novesta näoga.
Töine võiks öelda. Mitu aastat sa oled olnud?
Ma ei ole nii arvutanud.
Ma arvan rohkem.
Mitte väga palju.
Sest kui mina kunagi võistlused seal 2008, siis sa küll olid juba.
See võis olla alguses sellest, et näiteks siin Hoossuul ma olen ka mitu aastat hiljem vabatahtlik. 15 aastat.
Mitu aastat te Belgias olite?
See oli ligi 5.
Nad treenisid Belgias kõik talved 5 aastat.
Aga nüüd talvele, siis me
jah, kogu aeg.
suvel käisime siis. Siis me olime jah 5 koos tiikiviisiga.
Okay, so tell me how is your life to work with Vladimir Beletsky? How do you feel? How long have you been?
Okay, I'm working already 4 years.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's really easy person to work with. Yeah, like,
Okay.
I don't know what.
We've seen that Estonians really love him because every time he's here, he's performing, then he's like a showman.
Showman, yeah,
Yeah.
really showman.
But is like his personal life also like that? When
Yeah, he is
he's
also-
like
he's-
walking in the stables, doing some jokes.
Yeah, he's
So
every
that-
time like that. It's like really easy with him because okay, there is some bad moments and good moments, but totally he's really positive. Yeah, and the stable and the horses and riding and everything.
Okay.
So why? Because it's so easy to work with him. Yeah, because he's every time I'm positive.
That's so good to know. But do you know what clothing he wears when he's like competing? What kind of jackets, pants, boots, everything like that?
They want to ask about
Yeah.
the brands that
Ah,
Yeah,
brands.
what brands they use, yeah.
The brands normally he like Equiline really, the jacket.
Equiline,
Yeah.
okay. But does he have like a special watch? Usually man riders use the Rolex watches or some other
He's not that guy. Normally he has this iWatch
watch, okay.
because you know with the riding it's more easy, you know, when you every time because he's also busy with all the deals and every time to take your phone is not so easy. So he has just this one.
Okay.
And okay, the famous boots is from Sergio Grasso. He's every time using just that. And the pants, I don't think so that he care, you know. He just if it
fits
fits,
them, yeah.
if it's nice, then he's not like that. That's you know catching the I don't know how you say that.
Trends.
Every time Toscana, Cavaliere. Or,
Okay, not a picky guy.
Yeah, he gets just take, okay, I take one time Cavaliere Toscano, next time Picure, and he's not like looking for that, like really nice.
Okay, that's good to know. But how many horses does he have
At
here
the moment,
this
3.
year?
At the moment, 3.
Okay, yeah.
And then we're back in Germany, and then we have one more. Maybe you know it's Rocketman. Then
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. At the moment, he's in the paddocks. Okay, also riding also. Yeah, but Vladi is not competing anymore here, so
Oh, okay.
just yeah. So he's like holidays, riding, plunging, paddocks,
Okay.
and yeah. Now there's 3, and in Germany a few younger ones.
But which one is like he's the most best horse right now?
Okay,
Yes.
at the moment, okay, he's like for I don't know medium classes, you know, like 130, 140.
But for Grand Prix?
But the Grand Prix, we have this one. We have this full house here, and yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can take a week if you want. Yeah, at the moment, the most important is this one. He already won the Grand Prix in Moscow and do a lot of shows in Germany, like 150, 150.
Why are these beers here?
Not that they are not sad. Yeah, sometimes they like to eat the air or I don't know, something, you know, like.
This is like first
Sweet
time I see
teddy
something
bears.
like this in.
Yeah, it's not bad that they have what to do, you know, like that's not eating the walls or